Greetings, everyone. I said I was going to maybe take a day or two off. Just a quick little video for you. A little something I staggered across that I didn't know about it. So let me, hang on. I'm sitting on my right foot. I got to get down. Yes, Mr. President. No. Well, actually, yeah. I can be president. Beers. Want some? Anyways, I staggered across something when we were on vacation, Spoon River Drive stuff. I bought a battery-operated clock. You know, the little ones you put the little double A in. For the motorhome, right? For $5. Okay. I said, does it work? Of course, the usual answer. Worked when we put it up there. Probably did. I was like, alright, $5. I mean, you go to Walmart and get a new battery-operated clock, a new one, and it's like 14 to 20 bucks. Maybe even 24. Nah, 5. I'll take the chance. Got it back to the motorhome. Put a new battery in it. Stuck that bitch up. Put a little hanger up on. I'm pointing up here where you can't see. I put a little hanger up here. Up there. And new battery, set the time on the little spinner thing on the back. So whatever time it was. Put it up there. Had the microwave in the motorhome set to it's back there behind me. Pretend I'm sitting at the dining room table, facing the TV and stuff, and the clock. So anyways, had that set to time, and I was watching YouTube. So my laptop was set to time also. So let's say about 40 minutes goes by. Oh, look at the clock. Not even close. Not even in the neighborhood what time it is. What the hell? I figured, well, I wasted $5. So I got up there and took it off the wall. And I looked at it and I'm like, damn it. The second hand thing was going click 1001, click 1002, click 1003. Why aren't you keeping time? So I looked at the back. It's all dusty back there on where the you know, the casing for the gears, the little plastic gears for the clock mechanism. That's all sealed and encased anyway. But if it's been sitting, I got to thinking, so what if I just spin the living shit out of this thing? Advanced it about like 6 hours, and then backed it up 6 more hours, and then back 6 hours again, and forward 6 hours again. Just kept running back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, round and round and round, you know. Loosen them gears back up, set the time again, boink, put it back up there. That's up there. Put it back up there, like that, on its little nailing thing. I can't watch a little bit more YouTube and stuff, which I'm doing right now. We just got home from vacation. God, trying to catch a buzz. Right here. The rest of me is not bad. My ass isn't bad. My arms and legs and shoulders aren't too bad. But that crick in my neck came back right through here. Good Lord, people. But anyway, not doing that. Got a shower. Look, I'm fluffy like the squirrels again. Fabio. Anyway, so spin. If you got a clock, it's like a little battery-operated, plasticky geared clock, and it's all sealed, and you can't get to anything and oil it. Spin the shit out of it, right? I set the time on the damn thing. Ooh, that sounds like thunder. My God, we finally got that. We brought that wet crap back with us. Oh my God. Watch the last coming home video in the motorhome. With Annie in the chaser car, the car that Big D gave me. Thank you again, Big D, so much. Love the little car. It's gonna serve very well. So anyways, set the time up, son of a bitch. I watched YouTube for 2 hours, roughly. So that's what I do. Looked up at the clock. Okay. Looked at the computer time, which is always right. Perfect match, folks. I did it to this one. That's why I'm saying this. See my little Miller right there? My little Miller clock. That was an electric clock. That the electric part broke and the light burned out. I put a Christmas bulb, rewired it to the pull switch, and I converted it from electric to battery clock. That was in the motorhome for probably a year. And I put a new battery in it when we moved here, and I put it in here from the motorhome. It wouldn't keep time. Just did this today. That's what time it is. 9:15, right? Now I set this time on this thing. I spun it around and went ape shit. This thing's going all weird on me. It's about time to get a new tripod. But it went all kinds of crazy on me, right? So this is all about... Oh God, hang on. Let me see if I can get you one more round. I probably can. There we go. Okay, so that says 9:16 on that clock right there. I set this at 16 after 8. After spinning, I can just grab it, and I grabbed these hands because they're out exposed. I spun it and I spun it like the same thing as to do with the spinny thing on the back, like a Bic lighter. 9:16, folks. It's been keeping time for over an hour perfectly. As long as that second hand is going 1001, 1001, 1001, 1001. Try that. See if it fixes it. Just a repair tip that I stumbled across today from Hands On with BLG to you. Talking to you. Enjoy. See you in the next episode. Good night, people. Good night. I love y'all.